Living religiously and living spiritually are two different mindsets. Religion is about filtering your energy and life experiences through fear, negativity, and limitations. It's about controlling you. Thou shalt not do this and thou shalt not do that. Religion is about living within the boundaries of men's ancient 2,000-year-old spiritual experience and view of the world. Religion is about following rules so you don't mess up and end up in hell. Spirituality, on the other hand, is about connecting to the expanded self as a soul, learning to tap into soul perception, or what we call intuition, recognizing vibration as guidance, embracing your uniqueness and recognizing your connection with all other beings. Spirituality is a natural state you're born in. Religion encourages conformity by keeping people doubting themselves through doctrines that produce self-loathing. Spirituality embodies courage and expansion of consciousness by appreciating who you are becoming on your daily journey. Spirituality is about developing and connecting your divine self. Religion is about developing a relationship with something outside yourself. Religion is a fishbowl you're trapped inside. Spirituality is an ocean of consciousness to explore. Get the picture?